Great. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to our first of the AI seminars we're going to run this year. As you're all aware, AI is such a huge topic with massive implications that we felt we had to respond as the Safety Critical Systems Club to say, how are we going to integrate and address the challenges of AI? So that's what this year is all about. So first of all, what do we mean by AI? Well, AI is lots of different things, but certainly what we mean is things like autonomy. Autonomous vehicles are the biggest thing coming on. Self-driving cars will be with us quite soon, but there'll also be things in the air. There'll be lots of things which are autonomous, but you don't even realize what's going on. And of course, the other highly visible thing is the large language models, which are now come out. So ChatGPT-4, etc. Those will have a massive impact and already are, in fact, in lots of areas of industry. And so there are so many aspects of AI that we need to cover. And it has to be said that there's a kind of a difficulty with the safety world that we're used to, in that we're used to pretty much certainty. So when we talk about, things being reliable, we talk about, I don't know, 5 nines or something, we talk about really highly reliable systems. But when you talk about machine learning and recognition of objects, you say, well, yeah, 98% is pretty good. And you think, well, what happens to those remaining 2% of cases? So I think there's real conflict between the safety critical world and the AI world. The other thing that's obviously come up quite recently with large language models is things like hallucinations, where it produces perfectly credible and convincing answers which are based on rubbish made up. So there's lots and lots of things to worry about. So what we're going to do about this, we're going to try and produce some link into some frameworks. So people have already produced good ways of structuring the problem space, if you like, and trying to solve some of these issues. So the idea today is to look at some of those frameworks in various different areas, right from high level kind of ethics, risk, safety, right down to actual details of how you produce systems for using AI. So that's kind of what we're hoping to do. So we've got a really good range of speakers, as usual, a variety of cross-sector speakers. So I'm really pleased to have people from largely healthcare and nuclear and other sectors. So that's fantastic. So I'd like to kick off with our first speaker.